You made a very good point. He says he's looking after the Moradabad constituency in Uttar Pradesh with a large Muslim population. More than 40% of Moradabad at least is Muslim. And he says out of the 22,000 beneficiaries under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, 18,000 are Muslim. We will, of course, check your facts.
Of course, you must check.
Zafar Islam, but at the moment we are not doubting them.
No,
How do you
openly challenging everybody who can question me on these
Sure.
numbers.
Mr.
And I can say several other statistics I will give you, and you will not be able to counter me, because our policy is such to not to appease, but to do as a state what is your responsibility. You must discharge your responsibility with fairness and with effectiveness.
Asad Owaisi, then respond to that. What more do you then expect a government to do? They are ensuring that the schemes which an Ujjwala gas cylinder goes to a Muslim family and goes to the Hindu family as well.
Rajdeep, Ujjwala gas scheme, there is empirical evidence now, thanks to Mr. Narendra Modi's government, that the second refill is not happening because people cannot pay 865 rupees. No, coming back to your original question. Yes. 23 Muslims were killed in police firing in CIA protest in UP. 23. 23 people lost their lives. There are still people languishing in UP jails because they protested against an unconstitutional law. There are thousands of people belonging to the Quraysh community in UP who have been made unemployed, who have become beggars now. Because you have banned beef. You have banned beef. You have banned beef in Karnataka, wherein you have destroyed livelihood of nearly 70 lakh people in Karnataka. You talk about schemes. Sir, the government of the day have to give schemes. They're not giving out of their pocket. Please do not try to patronize us. That is the duty of the government. And may I please tell you that the Constitution, if you read the Constitution, equality for equals or unequal, please read that. Fourthly, you make laws on the basis of religion, on citizenship, wherein you exclude Muslims. What is that case? You have a final NRC in Assam. You say you have given Muslims tickets in Assam, but because the list didn't went according to your desire, 20 lakh names did not come in the final list. 15 lakh happened to be non-Muslims. You forgot about it. You don't mention a single word of CAA either in West Bengal or either in Assam. You make laws on conversion of religion. That is my right to privacy. And a collector will have to do an inquiry for 1 month. You put Muslim young boys and girls in prison. Why? Because they want to marry according to who they wish to. So please, sir, these are your examples of what your government has done. And may I tell you about Sabka Vikas? Please come with me to Gujarat. I will take you to Godhra. There is a railway track. This side, Vikas is there. This side, there is no Vikas. I will take you to Ahmedabad. The Gujarat, the biggest example in Ahmedabad, where Muslim localities are there. You have a riverfront, a fantastic, beautiful riverfront, and right opposite, please come with me and see Muslim and Dalit localities. You will find open drains. In those drains, you will find pigs running into it. Is this what your Vikas is? So the reality is that when it comes to the real crunch, you are not, because your ideology stops you. You do not believe in secularism at all, simple as that.